Confidence is very important to every content creator and for everyone who will always be present in front of an audience, in front of a specific group of people, in front of the camera, speaking to your audience. It is very, very important to be confident. Think about it. It will help you to be more persuasive, more engaging, and more relatable. And your audience are more likely to listen to you and then take action. There are a lot of factors that contribute to people not being confident in front of the camera. There are a lot of things that contribute to this. Maybe it's your first time, maybe because you are or because of fear of being judged, fear of not knowing what to say, fear of not knowing whether people will listen to you or not. So I will be speaking because I can relate perfectly with that. So I'll be speaking on how you can overcome your fear of sitting in front of the camera, how you can overcome the fear of sitting in front of the camera, how you can be confident when you are sitting in front of the camera or you are about to speak to an audience. Maybe you are into public speaking and you're about to speak to an audience, how to overcome fear, how to overcome the phobia of speaking to a specific audience, the phobia of standing in front of the phobia for public speaking. So this is what I'll be talking about. It will help you as a creator, to be more engaging, to be more relatable with your audience. So join me as I take you on this journey of overcoming your fear as a content creator or whosoever you are, public speaker or anything. Let's dive in. Okay, the first thing I'll be talking about, the first thing that I think has helped you, and it is very simple, is that practice your script in front of a mirror. This is very simple. It sounds simple, but it is very, very effective. It is very effective. So this is how to do it. Just take your script, whatever you're speaking on, pick it up and start rehearsing. Start rehearsing whatever you want to say in front of the camera. Sit before your camera, stand before your camera and start speaking, to your imaginary audience. Start speaking to your imaginary audience. This will help you to monitor your body language. This will help you to monitor your gesture, your how you fix your gaze on your audience. This will help you, to know how you position yourself. So this will help you to build your confidence the more. It is very simple. I know it is simple, but it worked. Just try it. Stay in front of the camera, rehearse whatever you want to say, and it has helped me, and I believe it will help you also. The second thing is body language. Our body language sometimes sends signal to our brain. So, making some subtle changes to your body languages can help you, to build confidence for public speaking. Like, how you made hand gesture, how you position yourself, how you make eye contact. This will help you, to make some adjustment. You may need to make some adjustments, to make some changes on how you make gesture, on how you use your hand to make gesture, on how you fix your gaze, on how you make eye contact. Make some changes to your body language, how you stand, how you position yourself in front of your audience. How you carry yourself in front of your audience. There is how you will carry yourself, and your audience will be like, oh, okay, this person is actually confident. Even if you don't know what to say, or even if what you are saying doesn't make any sense, just make sure that you are confident. I'm not saying you should not make sense when you are talking. Nobody's going to listen to you. I'm just saying. So just make sure that you're confident whenever you're talking to a specific group of people. Pay attention to your body language, because our brain and our body language, they work together. So make eye contact with your imaginary audience. That's why I said the first thing is to rehearse in front of your mirror. This will help you to fix your gaze on your audience. Like, fixing your gaze on your audience will help you to build this confidence. I hope you get what I mean. So another thing is to make positive confession, which is the last thing. Make positive confession. Confess good things. I am bold. I am courageous. I have no fear. I am confident to sit in front of the camera. I am confident to speak to people. This is how to overcome your fear. Speak in front, speak positive words, make positive affirmations. So this will help you to go a long way. I know the point I have made are very simple, but trust me, they are effective. Just make use of them. Try it first. Make positive confession. I am courageous. I am bold. I have no fear for public speaking. Make positive affirmations to yourself. I hope I've helped somebody. Let's meet again. Bye. Before you go, subscribe, like. Thank you.